semen retention. What? What? Did I just say semen retention? What am I talking about? Hello friends, Dr. Arkady with ReBalance. And in this video, we're gonna talk about semen retention. Well, guess what? It's being discussed all over the YouTube, and I think we need to talk about that. For some reason, our great sexual wellness program doesn't include semen retention. What is this? And what are they all talking about? Well, let's get something straight first. When talking about the ejaculation retention, there's two completely different topics that people are discussing. One group is discussing ejaculation retention as the lifestyle, basically not having any sexual activities for extended period of time, not even masturbation. Absolutely no release of the boys out, none, for a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and longer. That carries some positive health effects. Some people reporting increase in energy, it boosts the immune system, it increases testosterone level. It can also increase your energy in general, decrease depression for some people, and few others like deeper voice, stronger hair. Well, it definitely has a place to be, but on the other hand, we have another group that talks about ejaculation retention as a retention during the intercourse itself. So when you are having an intercourse or when you are masturbating, so you stop just before you ejaculate. That almost like a training. That type of exercise, if you want to call it an exercise, actually can be beneficial for some people that have a problem with the early ejaculation. People that have difficulty controlling ejaculation, and just like a pelvic floor exercises, you can practice that to enhance the ability of control. So just before you feel that you're gonna ejaculate, some people can do it using the abdominal muscles and groin muscles, and others actually have to use a thumb to push into the lower sac area to stop that ejaculation from taking place. Well, for others, it may actually create some problems. We all heard about the blue ball theory, right? So blue balls, unfortunately, is a condition when you really need to come, but you can't, or you stop yourself. Well, in that case, you can actually create a problem. And of course, it's not going to kill you, but it will be very, very uncomfortable. So of course, as always, the decision is yours. I can tell you one thing. The ejaculation retention is not a part of the ReBalance Sexual Wellness and Sexual Enhancement Program. As a part of the Sexual Wellness Program at ReBalance, we actually do give you a whole list of great exercises to help you with your performance. Yes, some of them will help you to stop the early ejaculation process, and others will help you to rebuild the pelvic floor muscles, to give you an ability to use your breathing and use diaphragm to work together to stimulate the blood flow to the groin area and enhance your erection, to be able to last longer, enjoy it better, to be more sensitive, and enjoy sex. If you've been wondering what food you can add to your daily routine to get your stamina and your erection back, just click here and we'll tell you all about that.